in order to save an Instagram reel that you're watching and you want to save it to your gallery, let's say you go to Instagram Reels and let's say this is the reel you want to save. So what you need to do is you hit on the three dots menu here and simply hit save. When you hit save, it'll give you a saved confirmation, and then to view it later, all you need to do is go to your account like so by hitting on the bottom profile image in the small circle at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you go to your profile, hit the hamburger menu, three horizontal lines menu on the top right, and then find the saved. Hit saved, and there you will find all your collections that you have saved. And if you want to see all posts, hit here all posts, and there you will find the reels that you have saved like so, and then you can access those reels for your viewing later on. I hope that helps.